The city that never sleeps, eerily quiet. Only ambulance sirens cut through the silence, providing a grim reminder of the devastating toll of the coronavirus.
It's like a battlefield behind your home.
The number of deaths in New York has doubled in just 3 days as the epicenter of the outbreak in the United States continues to fight against its spread. On Wednesday, New York State's governor ordered the closure of all playgrounds and urged police to be more strict in enforcing social distancing measures.
You still see too many situations with too much density by young people. This can kill young people, rare circumstances, but it can. But you get infected, you give it to someone else. So think about somebody else.
Data from city health officials show that low-income neighborhoods are being hit the hardest. Meanwhile, the race is on to ramp up hospital capacity before cases peak. An emergency field hospital has been set up in Central Park, and the tennis courts of the US Open will soon be converted, while a Navy hospital ship docked by Manhattan will admit non-COVID-19 patients. New York Mayor Bill de Blasio said 20,000 beds were already in operation, but that an additional 65,000 were needed by the end of April. With concerns over shortages of ventilators and protective gear, a country that usually gives out emergency aid is instead accepting it. A Russian military plane with masks and medical equipment landed in New York on Wednesday after a phone call between Vladimir Putin and Donald Trump.